Hi everybody, I'm Susan from lvandmore, and I just finished my last pouch there. Is the one that I showed earlier today. That was just black with the patch Statue of Liberty, and I went ahead and hand sewed that. Kind of getting up close there. Alright, and then the sides, and then I just put some random buttons at the top, and then see around the edges I just hand sewed those. The back I just left plain, and then I stitched the sides and turned them. So there's just so many ideas that you can do with the little pouches. The 4x4 squares made of felt. You can make them out of cloth. You can make them out of so many different things that you may already have. And you may not even have to sew them. You could glue them. There's fabric glue. There's just so many other ways that you could do it. Maybe do some yarn work, maybe crochet around the edges and attach it that way. That may be another option. But I thought that turned out kind of cool. And the opening, you can get about 4 or 5 lipsticks in there. You could put pens, pencils. There's a lot of things that you can use them for. And they fit in little mini bags, which is kind of cool. And they're just pennies on the dollar. So it's probably stuff that you already have. So maybe take a look around and see what kind of stuff you may have already. And you can put a project together. This was less than $1. And I don't know how much some of the organizers' places are charging for little pouches, but I know it's not $1. So I hope this was helpful. Like, subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye now.